Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Charlie in Iowa. And this present Lincoln 2 Plus. Charlie, it's all ready to go, bud. Like me and you talked, you're an FM and sidebander. So we got all this set up for you just like you requested. Let's show you that first. RF power all the way down, 5-watt slug. It will key just about 1/10 of a watt. We'll roll it all the way up. It'll key just a hair over 5 watts all the way up per your request. Let's go ahead and go to sideband. We're going to show you sideband. 50-watt slug. Hello, 1, 2. Hello, 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 1, 2, 3. It's about 45 watts all the way up. Roll it all the way down. Hello, 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you'll be able to adjust it down to 7 watts of total sideband PEP power. Check the FM deviation on it. It's spot on now. Obviously did the alignment. This thing is good to go for you, Charlie. I really hope you enjoy it. I think you will. And appreciate the good talk last night. Always good to have a good long talk with fellow operators. And just wanted to say 73s to you, my friend. Your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump bump.